tonight before I go to the bike meet. I'm on a bit of a bike mission. This lady called Sue in these accommodation looked after my Triumph, and I've put something in my jacket tonight to go to give Sue. So let's go see if Sue's in. I hope she is, otherwise the boys are going to be sharing this at the pub. Bit of a posh doorbell. Oh, maybe I should have got this out.
Hello, love.
Do you remember me?
I do, yeah.
Well, I brought you a little treat.
Oh, no.
No, come on. You're on my YouTube channel, look. You're on my YouTube channel. Sue, let me explain. I'm on a different bike tonight. I have a lot of valuable bikes, mate.
I know.
And I've not had very much luck recently. And you taking it in the other night.
Oh, you're more than
It's
welcome.
what it's about, mate. It's what it's about. Is that all right?
Yeah. Oh, you
So,
should have done that.
I got those at Tesco's yesterday, so they're fresh, and they've been down my jacket. If it smells, it's only because of the wax oil. Is that all right? But Sue, you're a treasure. Thank you. How did you do with your car boot?
Oh, about 130 quid we took.
Oh, that's a bit less than last time.
Yeah, but my neighbour took 100, so...
It's worth doing. It's worth getting up at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
You're out to treasure. Take care, Sue. Cheers, mate. Bye bye. See ya. I've got, yeah, it's a 1969 BSA tonight, and I'm on my way to the Green Man at Colne.
Oh, right.
Because it's bike night there.
Oh, right. Do they have does everybody walk
Dozens
around
and dozens of old bikes.
Really?
And I love it. And I do that about 3 days a week. Anyway, I better go. She's called Patina because she's never been painted or restored since 1969. So everything on her is as original. So I call her Patina.
Oh, right.
Yeah, there we go.
Thank you very much.
See you later. Cheers, Sue. Ta-da, love. Bye-bye. Bye, love. Bye-bye. There we go. Look at these idiots here. Look. Not one, not two, but three. God, blimey. I tell you what, if I was doing that on my motorcycle. But anyway, back on track. Everybody loves a girl called Sue. And when my T140 clutch cable snapped the other day, I was conscious that I'm in quite a large, busy area, and I knocked on Sue's door. She was watching the Tottenham football game, and basically asked her if she'd take it in whilst I got a car to come down, take me back to my lockup, fit a new clutch cable, and then to tot it all, the screwdriver I bought didn't fit, and Sue went into her little bag of tools, and without Sue my bike would not have been recovered. Anyway, let's go to the pub and see what we can see. Had a rear wheel puncture.
At the back.
No, maybe not. Maybe I've overinflated it. It skipped around the corner. The rear end was coming out after the front end.
Perhaps you've lost too much weight and you're not getting the grip.
Do you know what? That's the best thing you've ever said. Do you want a beer? Hello?
I definitely hear it coming.
Yeah, this is one of 11 classics. It's a 1969 BSA Bantam.
B7.
No, it's the very last one. It's a B175.
Yeah. Hiding undercover.
Hiding undercover. Ain't raining yet, boys. When you were all watching your porn last night, I was out riding in the rain.
We leave that to you, mate, riding in the rain.
That'll fucking rain now you're in.
Oh, yeah, Lloydie, trust you, mate. It's going to rain, innit?
That'll rain now you're in.
Hey, I got me 20 quid Dunlop shoes on.
So you drove up.
Yeah. What's that Joey Dunlop shoes?
What's this smoking on, is it?
Smoking?
Is it what?
Well, only for rubbing on. Oh dear.
God, did we get drenched last night, mate? Bloody hell. Bloody
I
hell.
wasn't too bad. I got a little bit moist, but only mildly.
We got absolute torrential, mate.
I reckon it's going to make you grow a bit. You'll have a growth spurt.
As long as my belly don't get any bigger. See if the old girl goes, eh? I'll probably come around that way with this little bike. I'm coming straight through the wall now, Ma, look. Do you know what I mean? There's somebody having a lasagna there. It'll be lasagna and BSA. Got to work the combination out. That's low beam, that's high beam. See you later. Don't forget, if you're around Benwick tomorrow night, it's good meet. And I'll make sure they reciprocate, so if you turn up, we'll turn up at the yours. See you later.